Thanks to that redesigned and now slimmer profile of the GoPro Hero 8 lens cover, filters you may have previously used will no longer be compatible without an added accessory, although Freewell have it covered with their own solution, the Hero 8 Filter Pack. Freewell have firmly established themselves when it comes to action camera and drone accessories, and previous filters we've taken a look at have certainly left me impressed. So it was no surprise they developed a solution for GoPro's newest camera, the Hero 8. Users receive two pieces with the kit, the filter pack itself, which we'll come to in just a moment, along with Freewell's solution to quick and easy filter attachment. And it comes in the form of this metal protective cage. The thinner lip around the Hero 8 means it's difficult to directly attach a filter, well, at least securely enough so it won't pop off mid-use. The approach taken by Freewell is one of added versatility. So rather than just have the ability of adding filters to your GoPro, this solution takes it a step further. In essence, we have this CNC machined, beautifully crafted and expertly finished aluminum cage, keeping things lightweight as well as very tough, with a large enough cavity for a Hero 8 camera to slide straight in. This is held in place with a sliding rear door, lined with felt so as to not scratch the camera's display, which holds firmly closed, ensuring no level of extreme vibration will shift it, creating an attractive looking package with a stunning gunmetal grey finish. With the camera in place, we still have easy access to both camera buttons, as well as the front and rear displays. Even the side door, making replacing batteries nice and easy. And all the microphones are open too, so there's no limitations while using the cage at all, other than a little extra bulk of course. On one side though, we find a standard 1/4" tripod thread as well as 3 cold shoe mounts to attach your video lights, microphones or other accessories, making this a very versatile cage. On the bottom we have the standard GoPro finger mounts, which we're all familiar with by now, used for blending into the GoPro mounting ecosystem. Although also included in the package is an Allen key that can be used to remove the 2 bolts holding the finger mount in place, and revealing a standard tripod thread beneath, perfect for attaching to tripods or other non-GoPro setups, again increasing that versatility factor that much more. Anyhow, and more importantly, the cage also provides that added lip around the lens area for attaching various snap-on filters. And when it comes to filters, the Freewell standard Day 4-pack filter kit is a perfect first step towards capturing cinematic videos. Supplied in this handy tin carry and storage case, the filters in this kit are designed to help you get the best quality footage under normal daylight conditions, which is generally where the camera captures the best quality video in the first instance. The 3 neutral density filters in the kit are designed to slow down the camera shutter speed successively by 2 f-stops. This restricts the amount of light hitting the camera sensor, important to capture the much sought after blur motion which is typical of cinematic footage. The polarized lens filter is designed to eliminate the unwanted glare from naturally reflective surfaces commonly seen outdoors, such as on glass window panes, snow and water. With a quick snap on or off design, we can easily switch between filters depending on the shooting scenario. Yes, we do add an additional layer of glass in front of the lens, nothing that can be helped due to the GoPro's camera design, but with the crystal clarity offered by Freewell, I've noticed no ill effects whatsoever. The filters hold in place firm yet are easy enough to swap on the fly. No issues there at all. So with the high quality we've come to expect from Freewell gear, if you're after a filter solution with a good level of added protection and versatility thrown in to really customize how you use your camera, then this is certainly a great place to start. With a precision finished yet lightweight CNC machined cage providing added protection, as well as the versatility to create your own customized shooting rig, which is available as a separate purchase if you prefer, or coupled along with a set of commonly used ultra sharp filters, this is a kit that complements the Hero 8 nicely and comes well recommended.